All right, my ink might be a little old and stale. Like stale food. I rolled ink out on the block like 6 times already. Let's take a look here. Interesting. And some of it, this isn't inking up well. So we'll try it again. Okay, what do we have here? Banco Boidios. There's more ink up there. Pay to the order of 9,000 Boidios. Bach. Hey. Lost lutefisk. That's over here. That isn't inking up well either, and the arrow also. All right. I'll try it again. I think I might go back to printing in blue or green. Numismatic green. All right, there you have it. There you have it. Thanks for the fowl input. That's Fowl, not Foul, by the way. Thank you.